My name is Patrick Brown. I work for Logan City Council. I'm a Senior Planning Officer with the Technical Services team. I think the takeaways for me and Council on a whole are that we need to have a more collaborative approach to how we sort of do these sorts of things. I think it's quite common for us to sort of pigeonhole our different disciplines at local government, and we really need to bring in every single discipline into this sort of obstacle that we're faced when we're assessing these types of apps that have streets design. The thing that's changed for me is to understand that it's not solely from one perspective that the manual has been created. It wasn't merely from a landscape design perspective. It wasn't singularly from a street design perspective for the engineering side of things. I guess that collaborative approach has sort of made it something to me that's a little more cohesive, and it's probably pointed out to the fact to me that similar to question 2, that it's really got to be a collaborative approach, both assessing and designing these sorts of developments that have new streets. I think from Council's point of view, in assessing these sorts of things, it's going to be more important for my team within being in the development assessment branch to engage with some of the other network providers, particularly the design engineers and the Logan Water Infrastructure team in our instance. Yep, I certainly would. Again, it's been something to me that's been a bit of an eye-opener in as much as how many different disciplines are drawn into this one thing that ultimately is about street design. But the fact that in the room today we've had input from engineers, both being civil, environmental, landscape architects and urban designers, it's sort of broadened my perspective on that and how the manuals come together.